In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Grammarly on laptop. This walkthrough is for Windows laptops and will take you from a fresh browser window to launching the Grammarly installer with a few helpful tips to keep things smooth and secure. First, open your preferred web browser and head to google.com. In the search bar, type the phrase Grammarly for Windows. Using this exact wording helps you land on the official desktop download page quickly. When the results load, look for the link that clearly points to Grammarly's official site. You'll know you're in the right place when the address includes Grammarly.com and references desktop or Windows. Avoid anything that looks like a third-party mirror or an unfamiliar domain. Sticking to the official site ensures you get the latest safe installer. Click through to the Grammarly for Windows page. On that page, you should see a prominent button that says Download Grammarly. Go ahead and click it. Your browser will now begin downloading the installer file. Depending on your browser, you might see the download appear at the bottom bar, in the top right Downloads menu, or in your Downloads folder. The file is typically named something like a Grammarly installer and will have an .exe extension. Give the download a moment to complete. If you don't see it start automatically, look on the page for a line that says your download will complete automatically, often paired with a link to start it manually. Click that link to trigger the download if needed. A stable internet connection helps here, so let it finish before you try to open anything. Once the download has completed, click the file from your browser's downloads area or open your downloads folder and double-click the installer. Windows may display a security or permission prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. That's a standard part of installing trusted software. Choose yes to proceed. Keep other apps to a minimum while this runs so the setup can complete without interruptions. From here, the installer will launch and guide you through the remaining on-screen steps to finish setting up Grammarly on your laptop. If the download page is still open, you can close it once the installer has started. And that's it. You searched for Grammarly for Windows, opened the official page, clicked Download Grammarly, waited for the file, and launched it. You're now ready to let the installer finish the job and get Grammarly running on your laptop.